Would you like to run AuditTAP on a Linux system? Then you first need to make a few preparations. This is because AuditTAP requires PowerShell, which is not always available as standard on Linux. The program, therefore, needs to be set up manually. This requires a few terminal commands. You can obtain a document containing all the prompts at the address shown here. Alternatively, take a look at the video description. After successfully setting up PowerShell on Linux, you can download AuditTAP from GitHub. As mentioned, this requires a completed PowerShell installation. Download the source code folder. Launch the file manager and open a folder directly. Then unzip the download. Then navigate to the extracted folder and view its contents. The two subfolders, AuditTAP Auditor and AuditTAP HTML Report, are important for starting AuditTAP. Move these to the directory where PowerShell manages your modules on Linux. Because this is a protected directory, you must run this as root, which is done with the sudo command. Once the folders have been moved correctly, AuditTAP is ready to use. But first, you must also launch PowerShell as root. Now it's time to create the first hardening report. To do this, open the terminal. The command to start the AuditTAP can be seen here. It can also be found in the GitHub repository. Important: on Linux, the path where the hardening report is to be saved must be specified using the path argument. Then the audit tool will start by checking the system hardening. Please note, warning or error messages may appear occasionally. These are normal and not cause for concern. Now it's done. By default, your report file is assigned to the root user group. To allow other users to access it, you must change the read access. The report is available as an HTML file, so it can be opened with any browser. In this example, you can see how well the test system was hardened according to the specifications of the Center for Internet Security Benchmarks for Linux. Click through the different points for a comprehensive overview. Thanks to the red and green markers, you can immediately see where your Linux hardening needs to be optimized. Do you have questions about AuditTAP or suggestions for improvement? Do you need system hardening support? Please don't hesitate to contact us.